Look closely. A tiny, white, pear-shaped structure is stuck to the bottom of a leaf. This is the monarch egg. Show how small and fragile it is, maybe comparing it to a grain of rice? This egg isn't just laid anywhere. The smart mother butterfly must choose the milkweed plant. It is the only food the baby will eat. This leaf holds the entire life plan inside a single egg. It waits for the perfect moment to break free. It begins its massive journey. The monarch butterfly starts as a tiny egg. Its amazing journey begins. Pop, a tiny creature hatches. It has bright yellow, black and white stripes, a caterpillar. For 2 weeks, it eats milkweed non-stop. It depends on the milkweed plant. The caterpillar uses the milkweed's white sap as a secret weapon. It tastes bad to birds. This is its superpower. It grows quickly and big. Its skin gets too tight. It wiggles out and sheds its old skin. This happens 4 or 5 times. It's called molting. The mighty muncher keeps growing. The caterpillar grew huge. It found a safe spot. It hung upside down like a J. Its skin sheds, revealing a chrysalis. It's a stunning emerald gem. Gold dots decorate it. This shell is a secret laboratory. We peek inside to understand. Magic is happening in secret. The real magic begins now. Wings and antennae are being built. The caterpillar transforms into a butterfly.